Hey cooks, welcome back. Another edition. I'm cooking again. I'm your man Ken. Today, we're gonna do something fun and good and delicious. We're doing pellet smoked wings, y'all, and crispy. Okay? Let me show you the secret. Cornstarch game. Okay? I'm gonna season them up, cornstarch them, but first, you know this channel, what we're gonna do with this chicken? Brine. That is correct. I'm gonna brine it, we're gonna cut it up, clean it up, brine it, hour or two, get it ready, season it up, get it out there on the pellet smoker, and man, we're gonna have some good wings. Stay with your man. I'm cooking again. All right, cooks. Real quick, brine game. Quarter cup salt. If you have a big gallon container, I don't care if you put it in a pot, whatever. Salt game, water game, okay? Warm water in that salt. Get your chicken in there. All right, cooks? In the refrigerator. I didn't say refrigerator. Get it in the refrigerator. Hour, 2 hours, half hour if you're short on time. Get it in there. It's gonna make your chicken taste fantastic. Stay with your man. I'm cooking again. All right, cooks, we're here. You know the channel. Easy season. We're gonna smoke these jokers. Hit it with a Lowry salt. Come on. Come on, come on. Shout out to the comment. You ain't playing if you ain't got Lowry salt. Appreciate you, man, with the comments. Man, you know what we're talking about. But you're right. You're not playing with these wings, man. Now, we're not doing rub. See, rub it on the smoker. Maybe, but this is, we doing ourselves. We're doing it. All right, now, this is the what? Oh, Tony, who? The Creole season, y'all know what it is. Y'all been there before. Come on, man. I'm gonna tighten this up with that. Oh, I might just do some. I have some Parmesan seasoning on there. I might do some that way too. Okay, cooks, let these breathe for a second. Maybe not. Okay. Then we're gonna do cornstarch game. You want crispy wings on your smoker? Cornstarch or baking powder. Or both. I used to do both, okay? You want the measurement? I say quarter cup. Quarter cup, half cup. That's about half cup in there. Okay, cooks? Get your wings in the bag. Just throw them in the bag. Throw them in the bag, y'all. Now, people drying them up. They doing paper towels. You can do that. That's all you gotta do. Get them in the game. Get them in the game, y'all. Get them in the game. People say, oh, why didn't you season the back? For what? Oh, you messing with me, y'all. Y'all messing with me, y'all. You messing with a real cook, cooks. Come on, cooks. Did it like this? Boom. Blop the bloom. Ooh, that's good. Okay. 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 Do that. We're gonna do these. Get them in the bag. Get them in that cornstarch. They're gonna crisp up. We're about to throw them on the smoker. Stay with your man. I'm cooking again. We're out here, expert grill, the Walmart pellet. You see the temperature's low, but this is when all the smoke is coming, y'all. Cooks. I'm putting the wings on right now. Getting that smoke game, y'all. The smoke game. See the size, cooks. This grill is phenomenal. Phenomenal. Phenomenal, cooks. Write that word down. I just learned it yesterday. Phenomenal. Okay, cooks? Let's get it. Flats in the game. Flats in the game. Flats in the game. Okay, cooks? Alright, we're gonna do some drums. Drums in the game. Drums in the game. Okay, cooks? But this is when you get them on now. Okay, cooks? We cutting up. There you go. There you go, cooks. Come on, man. Get these crispy pellet smoked wings, man. Okay. Look at this thing, y'all. I should have had more wings. Yes, sir. Okay, cooks. We got them. We put them on. That's why this expert grill is amazing. Look at the size. Walmart owe me a check though, because I'm pushing these grills out. Everybody talks about it. It's a good product. Got the cornstarch. We're gonna be crispy, y'all. Crispy like the kernel. Crispy like the kernel, y'all. Okay. Yeah, okay. All right, y'all. Enough space. This is 30 wings. If you're interested, or you care. 30 wings in the game. I could put 40 on here. We're doing 30. I've got the young smoke. I hear it. Okay, Coach. Yeah, I took about 35. This whole roll is vacant now. Okay, Coach. We got 30 wings on here. We're gonna do bring it up to 275. About 45 minutes to an hour. Crank it up 350 for a half hour. And we're gonna eat these wings, man. You see all that? See the whiteness? It's gonna disappear. Okay, Coach. That's the crispy. Stay with your man. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. I'm cooking again. Cooks, we out here. I'm gonna show you a secret. Everybody has these wings with the crispy. You hear it? It's sizzling. Here's the trick. Get you some cooking spray, Pam, Gloria, Janice, whatever spray it. They don't tell you that. They don't tell you that. They don't tell you that. See, you rocking this channel right here. With a bunch of channel. Spray it up. Spray it up. Spray it up right there. Be ready in 10 minutes, y'all. Stay with your man. Look at these. Oh, you hear it? Cooks. Stay with your man. We done turned up. I'm going to 350. I'm cooking again. All right, Cooks, we out here. The wings are, you take them off. Look at crispy. Crispy critters. What are you talking to? Let's go. Let's go. Take them off. Oh, come on, man. It's sticking a little bit. Have you ever had a smoked wing, a crispy smoked wing? Have you? Folks, crispy wings on a pellet smoker. Nobody else doing that. Everybody doing 5,000 ingredients. No. One ingredient. Well, maybe 3. All right. I'm front. 3 ingredients. These wings are delicious. Stay with your man. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. Stay with your man. I'm cooking again. All right, Cook. We're here. Look at this thing. Oh. We smoked the wings. We're getting together. Talk to your boy. Share the video. Hit that notification bell. Oh, all my subscribers, I love y'all. Let's get it. Taste test. Taste test. Okay. Of course it's crispy. Oh man. Hot. Touch the jacket. Oh my God. Oh. We gotta do it big on the channel. Oh my. Oh. That's delicious though. Subscribe to the channel. Like the channel. Hit that notification bell. Cooks. I'm cooking again.